And please like and subscribe, as it really helps with the recommendation algorithm. In a typical frame and panel construction, you have tenons on the long frames which plug into mortises on the short frames. This is pretty secure as long as the tenons are fitted to the mortises with a slight friction fit. But over time, due to humidity changes or whatever, this joint can loosen and can pull out, especially if you have forces acting in the direction of the long frames. The plum blossom tenon, so named, looks like a plum flower with its diagonally opposed tenons which straddle the miter line. My version of the plum blossom tenon was designed for CNC. It has two tenons straddling the miter line just the same. The tenons engage the mortises on both sides of the miter and keeps the frames from separating. Furthermore, once the legs were plugged into the frames, now the frames keep the legs from separating. So when all four legs are plugged in, the panel assembly and the legs literally becomes one. It can't separate in any way. This is why this is called an interlocking joinery. This very strong joint was used to secure tabletops, cabinet tops, and chair seats to their legs. Under typical forces during use, such as being pushed or pulled, the top and legs act as one rigid assembly and distributes forces equally to all legs, and thereby making it resistant to tipping or overstressing a single leg. And all this is done without screw or glue. It never ceases to amaze me how the ancient Chinese had this already figured out. How would you use this joint in your woodworking projects?